like everything's fine, but nobody sees what's eating my mind. Too many thoughts that never slow down. I say I'm okay while I slowly drown. I carry this weight every night. Feels like I'm fading out of sight. I smile, but I don't feel alive. I breathe, but I'm empty inside. I stand while I'm breaking into still I just try to survive. Would I let them know? Not what keeps me up, won't let me go. One little word cuts way too deep. Still I pretend I'm steady on my feet. I play my role, but I'm losing the fight. Screaming in silence every night. I smile, but I don't feel alive. I breathe, but I'm empty inside. I stand while I'm breaking into still I just try to survive.